Good morning. Welcome to your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. Starting off partly cloudy with some seasonable temperatures this morning, and we do have a quiet day ahead of us for today. If we take a look at the current surface analysis, we have high pressure dominating the eastern part of the country, and we have some upper level energy that is bringing this cloud material into our area that will continue to push through the area through today and into the evening hours before we see those clouds start to break up a bit. Once again, similar to what we saw last night with cloudy conditions and then a clearing out overnight. If we take a look at the current conditions as of 8 a.m. this morning, we have a few clouds around 15,000 feet, a scattered deck at 20,000, broken deck at 25,000 feet, light winds out of the north at around 4 knots, temperature at 33 degrees, relative humidity is at 75%. If we take a look at the current visible satellite, we can see those mid and high clouds continuing to move into the region. We'll see this trend continue as we go through today becoming partly sunny to mostly cloudy throughout the day today and into the first part of the evening. And again, we'll see some breaks in those clouds as they move to the east as we go through the overnight hours. If we look at the European model zoomed out to take a look at the big picture over the next 48 to 60 hours, we have high pressure over the area. We'll see that break down a little bit as this shortwave energy starts to push through, bringing us that cloud. Otherwise, remaining quiet and dry through the region for the throughout the day today and into the evening hours, and mainly light winds. As we go into our day on Wednesday, we'll see the winds shift and remain light, becoming a onshore breeze, but again on the light side, and we'll have another little bit of energy moving through, bringing us another round of mid and high clouds into the area for our day on Wednesday. And then we'll see those clouds stick around as we go into the evening hours Wednesday evening and through the overnight hours, and we'll see some lower level clouds start to move into the area as we have this low pressure system coming into the picture over the central part of the country. That will track to the northeast part of the country and bring a cold front into our area later in the week, and out ahead of it we'll see the warm sector lifting into our region, bringing some breezy southerly winds for today on Thursday. That will allow temperatures to warm up to about 10 plus degrees above average, and again will be slightly breezy with peak gusts likely around 19 to 21 knots throughout the day on Thursday, but should stay below the wind advisory criteria for most of the day. And we'll see continued cloud cover with more low-level clouds throughout the day on Thursday. Could see a few showers off to the west of the area, but expecting dry conditions through today here at Wallops. And then as we get later in the evening, we'll see the breeze start to pick up a bit. That would be the better chance of seeing a wind advisory, but that will likely be after the 8 p.m. time frame and into the evening hours, and we'll see chances start to increase as we go through the overnight hours of seeing some rain showers moving into the area. If we look at the 24-hour weather risk chart for today, again a quiet day ahead of us today with green across the board for our weather risk. Partly cloudy at the moment. We'll see those clouds continue to increase as we go throughout the day today. Mainly mid and high clouds. Could see a few low clouds in the area, low-level clouds in the area, but nothing too significant. Mainly just mid and high clouds as we go through the day today, becoming mostly cloudy to partly sunny. Light winds out of the north and northwest as we go through the day today, around 4 to 9 knots. See temperatures peak out around 47 degrees this afternoon, and then we'll see those winds become light and variable for the later part of the afternoon and into the first part of the evening. As we go through the evening, we'll remain mostly cloudy, and then going through the overnight hours, we'll see those clouds start to move out of here, becoming mostly clear by the morning hours Wednesday. That will allow temperatures to drop to a low around 31 degrees, so just a couple degrees above average, but still fairly seasonable for this time of year. We'll see the winds start to pick up a little bit, but remaining light out of the north and then becoming more northeasterly as we get to the start of the day on Wednesday. So a light onshore breeze. We'll keep a very slight chance of maybe some patchy fog in the area with the lighter winds, but I think we'll have enough air moving around to keep that at a minimum. Right now, tides are running about a half a foot above normal. And if we look into the day on Wednesday, starting off partly cloudy, and then we'll see another round of those mid and high clouds moving through, becoming mostly cloudy as we go throughout the day. And we'll have that light onshore breeze for the day on Wednesday, with another fairly seasonable day, just a couple degrees above average with a high around 49. We'll be green across the board for weather risk for our Wednesday. We'll see those clouds sticking around into the evening hours, remaining mostly cloudy through the evening. We'll see a few low-level clouds start to move into the area later in the evening and into the early morning part of Thursday, but we'll see a low around 40 degrees, likely early in the evening, and we'll see those temps slowly rising as we go through the overnight and early morning hours into our Thursday. But green across the board for weather risk for the Wednesday evening time frame, and as we go into Thursday, remaining mostly cloudy, becoming overcast as we see more clouds building in ahead of that next system as the warm sector starts to settle into our area. We'll see slightly breezy conditions picking up with those winds out of the south that will allow temperatures to warm up to a high around 57 degrees, so a mild day for a Thursday. Again, about 10 or plus degrees above average for this time of year, and we'll see those winds gradually increasing through the day and into the evening hours. We're green across the board for weather risk at the moment for our Thursday. We'll see those winds increasing after this time frame, where we'll see a better chance of seeing a wind advisory after this particular time frame, but still slightly breezy remaining throughout the day on Thursday. Well, that will wrap up the 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We'll be back again at 10 a.m. to take a look at the extended forecast. Enjoy your morning.